good evening. Katatapos lang namin kumain. At ayan yung dalawang anak naglalambing sa kanilang papa habang nagtatrabaho. Ayan. What are you doing, guys?
Taking off
Taking off the
the snowflake.
snowflakes. Snowflakes daw yung balakubak. Dandruff. Is that exciting?
I don't.
I don't. Is that fun?
I don't. Yes.
Yes. Jenna, you massage papa's back.
Okay, like that.
Yes. Yung galing. Kiss-kiss mo si papa mo. Sweet-sweet naman. Ayan, nagtatrabaho si papa nila. Papa is working. Overtime because maraming customer ang naghihintay. Kaya overtime siya. At bukas ay busy na naman para
Kasi yung
sa
massage para sa ano?
sa
Sa back.
nandun sa outside, anak.
Kaya nakikita namin yung fifth.
Yes.
Hindi ganito mo.
May ganyan.
Para hindi makita. Napunta siya sa gawin na ganito.
Tomorrow is Eden's birthday and we're
Yes.
going to Lingayen.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah, mommy, we gonna vlog there.
Vlog there?
And have some fun. And have some train in the tricycle.
Yeah.
Mommy,
But
yeah.
first we will
I gotta give the
No, tomorrow first we will pick up Jacob and Maton in their house and
go to
we
Lincoln.
are going to Lingayen together
All of
for Eden's birthday.
But how about Matos? He wants iglog again.
Iglog?
Yeah. And now I mean 8 ball. 8 ball like to had
No, what do you call that? The
8 ball. You mean was it a ball? It's just flat like.
yung pool. What do you call that? Billiard?
You
Do you call that?
push it when you go to the hall.
Yes.
And there's blue and red.
So, for now, you sleep early so you can
Yes.
wake up early.
So you can eat one.
Because if you don't wake up early tomorrow, we will be late.
Yes.
What's that sounds? What's that sounds?
We're gonna go wake up at night.
No, I have something question to Jenny. What's that, Jenny? What's that sounds?
That's my fart.
It's your fart, smelly.
Okay. And we're gonna wake up in night.
Wake up in night,
Yeah.
not in morning.
We're gonna wake up early in the night. Not here in this first.
Nee. Be careful.
Not in this first thing we do this.
Okay,
So we
before
have to
going
wake
to
up
sleep, we have a conversation here.
We're gonna give the present
Do you have present to Eden?
outside.
No, that's my present to
But
Eden.
we're gonna do that.
I'm the one who bought that.
But we're kids.
Uh,
But you're not kids. You're grown-ups.
I'm kids.
No.
Pretend I'm kids.
No, you're not. You know all the chatting all the time.
Chatting?
Yes.
You ask Papa what he's doing.
Papa, what are you doing? I know what he's doing. He's doing the internet.
Internet. Doing his job.
Yeah.
You close the yung ating shop.
Why is
Ating
this
computer shop. Close mo na. What's that again?
have a mole in your face. There's no mole. That's a itchy. Yes. No, I see a mole
bye-bye
right
na.
here. Bye-bye. Bye.
Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. We will vlog Eden's birthday tomorrow. Okay?
Yeah.
Good night.
But we have to vlog at early time.
Okay, good night.